ladies.
All right, let's finish the night off strong, okay? Carlsberg, Danish Pilsner, by appointment to the Royal Danish Court.
By appointment only.
Wow.
We're special. All right, 5% alcohol. This green bottle makes me think of Mickey's or something.
What is this?
I'm glad he shook it though.
A greener green? Calm down.
I just wanted you to say it out loud. You know what I'm saying? He said a green on that thing.
Taking
boy.
the bottle home with him.
Yeah.
What is
you
it,
know
a greener
what
green?
greener
We wondered, could our green
about to
ink
lie.
be greener? Probably. We've switched to cradle to cradle certified silver inks. Ink or something? Better green?
Oh, I thought you were talking about like the green. The beer is gonna be green.
Our ink is better than yours.
Hey, my guy.
Come on, that's how you
Hit
go
me
out.
up.
That's you?
That's how you go out. Now let's see what the crispness is
Oh,
about.
it smells like the green. Some flour.
Oh, it straight up do. Green or green. This better not have no THC in it.
Let it ride.
I was hoping it would be
Let
big
it
in
ride.
text.
Right.
You would hope it would be
With-
big in
But the way it smells, this damn thing smell like weed.
With notes of THC.
We're just notes.
So-
we
Just notes.
We pick out
No
the
crazy.
only the funniest nugs.
No crazy smell, so let's just go
Notes
into
of-
it. We'll get right into it.
Damn.
It's just a strong ass beer. Got a nice strong taste. It ain't heavy strong, but it's strong. It lets you know you're drinking.
Okay. This, I'll say right off the bat, this beer is for the person who's always loved the smell of weed, but will not smoke weed. This beer is for you,
It's for you, Grandma.
because it's gonna. She's like, I love the smell of that guy.
What is that?
Roll it up on my tongue.
That potpourri is amazing. Where can I find it?
I tried to take weed out of my mind.
You
and
can't.
then take a sip, and
No.
then it's like, boom, it's weed. Stay
wonder she's
off
always
the
not.
weed.
Weed. Yeah, because I was trying not to smell it as I tasted or going down.
Yeah.
So it's still, as soon as you unplug, weed.
Comes right out.
Low grade. It's some weed,
I
but
didn't know the Danish got down like that.
I guess. I don't know if we were supposed to talk about weed so much in this damn thing, but gosh damn, I can't smoke weed, so I'll be drinking this.
Yeah, I mean, I'll drink it.
I think it tastes fantastic.
Bit of a beer whore, I'll drink it.
I think my problem with this one is the last one we drank.
Amber still in your mouth?
Yeah, but this one I don't hate. I got nothing wrong.
I would buy this. This was something that I would just sit there and let me get another one of those Carl's things. Let me get some of that.
Give me that one with the green thing on it.
Mhm.
No, the greener one. The greener one.
No, the greenest one you got over
It
there.
smells like weed.
Put it in the cup first. Bring it to me. I'm drinking this like this is a bar. Drink. I mean, I can eat. I mean, drink this with whatever.
Okay, fair. It's like all bubbles in my throat. God damn.
Yeah.
No, I'm mowing.
He said, pause.
Whatever.
Hey, for real though, I'm drinking this way. Whatever. This my
We all-
This my jazz right here.
We all had this initial like, whoa reaction, and then all of us are like, okay, yeah, cheers.
Give me some. Look what this said at the bottom. Probably the best beer in the world. Come on,
And they're
G. Hey,
flexing on
y'all, he flexing all over this thing.
I can give them that. They ain't front.
No, it's not the best beer in the world.
Coming from me,
Yeah.
they ain't lying.
Yeah.
So,
So
you're
anybody that's not out drinking beer and you're stuck drinking beer for the night, find you a Carlsberg.
That means y'all gotta go out there and find this. This right here is delicious. I drink beer and I think it's delicious. He's saying it's fantastic. You know, it's up there.
I'm not gonna lie, it's good. If you burp, you definitely just burped up weed.
The cloud, the smell, the aroma.
Yo,
If
how
talk-
you gonna explain to the cops?
Yeah.
I was just drinking.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, you was drinking, huh?
Yeah.
All right. No, you
Get your
trying to
crossfade ticket. Gotcha.
True
All
story.
right.
Dang, I didn't think about that one, but yeah, that boy.
It's crazy.
All right.
I know, right?
Any more comments on this one? Carlsberg, what's up? Danish, Pilsner.
Nah, I mean, I don't think it's the best drink or beer in the world, but it is one of those. It's a good beer. So
Don't hold them to it, man. They got confidence.
Nah, yeah, no, I love that confidence, and I think the fact that the green and I mean, obviously I'm biased from the green, but that Carlsberg, whatever.
Okay.
It's a cool bottle. I like the green style they got going. I like the flex that they got. It's not even
It's
on the
straight up.
logo, it's engraved into the bottle. So I like the flex there. I would definitely pick up a 6-pack of those.
We're not pros, just bros.